Whose eyes are these, Mama?
These eyes belong to an animal.
Let's see if you can guess all 50 animals.
Sidhu, look at these eyes.
Yes, Mama. So many animals.
Let's identify them.
Only using their eyes?
Exactly.
Friends, can you help us?
Look carefully, friends. Can you guess the animal? Ready for the answer? It's a cat. Did you guess it correctly, friends? Let's start with number 1.
I think I know this one.
Don't tell us yet. Friends, look carefully. Whose eye is this? Look carefully, friends.
Wow! It's a rabbit!
Rabbits are excellent jumpers.
So cute!
Can you guess this one?
A fox!
Foxes are smart and quick. Watch carefully.
I got it! I got it!
Snakes use their tongues to sense their surroundings. This one is tricky.
A chameleon!
Chameleons can change colors. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
The fastest runner.
Cheetahs are incredibly fast. Guess this mystery animal. 3, 2, 1.
A crocodile.
Crocodiles are powerful swimmers. Look carefully.
Such a beautiful bird.
Ravens are intelligent birds. Can you guess? 3, 2, 1.
I knew it!
Deer are fast and graceful.